One of the things that you can do in Audacity is do the page setup and then print out your audio wave files. So over here you can see that I have an audio wave file, and now I'm just going to select off a certain portion of this right here so that I only have this audio wave file right here. So let me just expand this out right here. So let's say if I want to print out this audio file, I can first set up the page. So I'm going to go to File, I'm going to go around into Page Setup right here. So I'm going to change this to Landscape, and let's say I'm going to choose A4 size paper right here. You can set the margin right here. So I'm going to have 0.5 inches over here on the left side, or 0.5 over here as well, 0.5 right here, and 0.5 on the bottom as well. So once I do that, I'm going to press OK right here, and I'm going to go around into File right here, and then I'm going to click on Print. So once I do that, I can choose the printer of my choice. In my case, I don't have a physical printer attached, so I'm going to choose a virtual printer, Microsoft Print to PDF, and click on Print right here. And over here, I'm just going to go around and save this as audio file. So this is the audio waveform right here, and I'm going to press Save just like this. And once I do that, what happens is that it gets saved out as a PDF file. So now what happens is that it gets saved as a PDF file. So if I were to open this out, you can see that this is how it will get printed. So you can see that this is the audio wave file printed out. So if you were to print it out on a paper, it gets printed out just like this. And that is what you can do with Audacity as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.